Welcome to the kingdom. I'm trading after hours. It's 6:20 p.m. and this is the gold market. This video is going out to Mr. Doodleman. He made a comment wanting to know. He wants me to explain the Bollinger Bands and the moving averages and how I exactly trade. This here is the Bollinger Band. This is the middle of the Bollinger Band. This right here is overextended on the gold, but gold is, you always want to buy the dip, especially with this environment. Down here, we can see it's overbought. For example's sake, I was going to get in it. This is a prop firm challenge. I am in the prop firm. This right here is actually my personal account, and as you can see, I'm up $130 on this trade. I took this trade to the downside. I believe it's going to go back down to 390, but I might just get out with 100. This is a 5-minute chart. This is a better view of the Bollinger Band. You can see price normally stays within the Bollinger Band. If it widens out, it climbs the wall. But eventually you're going to get that huge pullback and it climbs back up again. I think we're going to get another pullback and then it will climb back up. This is the gold chart. Now I'm only up $30, $10. But I believe 95, it's staying right around 95. So I'm just going to keep playing this to the downside. If we get another pop here, I can go $140 down. If I want to take profit, I think it's going to hit 185 eventually. I think it's going to hit this. This is the gap. We might get a... I'll just take this on both accounts. Because I do feel pretty confident that we will get a drop at least to here, at least to the 90s. And if you're really not feeling it, you can just go one contract. We can still make our $100 here if it hits all the way down. But this can explode to the upside easily on gold. Look at that. That can explode to the upside. So I might just take this profit. Because if it falls down here, now this is the Bollinger Band. Climb the wall. This is Mr. Doodleman. Climbs the wall. This is how I trade. Look at all these 1-minute candles. Climbed it up, flattened out. It might fall back down to this line, like I was telling you, the 90s. And then I would buy it again, definitely buy it down at the bottom of the Bollinger. That's how I trade the Bollinger Band. And then you have your moving averages, which I don't have on this chart. That would be your 20-day, 50-day, 200-day. I normally do that when I'm trading stocks. This here is futures. Now the question is, on this 1-minute chart, are we going to get this turnaround the fall? This can explode back up to the top of the Bollinger Band. But I'm looking for this to fall down, like I said, to the 990s. But gold, you really don't want to short gold. And if you do short it, you short it for a short time, especially in this environment. So it's staying in this tight range. It's almost 6:30 at night, Market just opened for after hours trading. So what I'll do is I'll probably take this profit just to get out. Because like I said, there's a good chance of that popping up. On the 5-minute, it can easily drop. 15. We got these 3 candles up. We have this over here. At lunchtime, it hit the high. It hit right where we are now. So it could reverse. But it could blow past that high. $5 more. Look over here. $5 more up. Right up to this line here is gold at $4,000. So it could easily break this and go up. I would like to short it at 4. This is $60. We can play this. I would like it to get up here. I want to try to make one trade just to... It looks like it's topping out, but if it breaks... If it breaks this here, if it breaks that, all bets are off. That's 96 is going to go up. Look at that. See how flat that is right there? If it breaks this, all bets are off. There it broke. It broke, so this is going higher. This is going to 4,000. This is so oversold right now. I mean, so overbought. I know it's going to come down. Well, I don't know it because you never do know. Like I should have took my $100 profit while I had the chance. And I just explained to you this thing could pop up to the top of this Bollinger Band, which is 4,000, just like I said. So most likely it's going up there. But I do like this short. That's $50. That's $65. I really want to take it at 4,000. I want to do 2 contracts because I do think that's $150. I do think this is coming down. I do think this is coming down. Okay, it hit. Even if I make $5, $10, we just make our way up. This is at 150 stop loss. I believe it's a $200 profit if it falls all the way back down. I just wanted to get to this line, and I'm happy with $10. We are scalpers over here. If it even goes up here, if it goes to the 4s, yeah, this is 150. Let's just watch it and see what happens. I do believe we're coming back to this blue line. And I always look at my Oliver sold levels. On here, what we can do here is we can sell 10 more. See if we can get back to that blue line. This, I have a large account, so I can buy like 100 contracts. This here, we have a very small account. This is a prop firm, which I only have a $1,500 loss, and then I blow the account. And for me, that's very easy. Over here, I draw down 5, 6, 7,000 at a time before I turn a profit. So it is hard for me to trade on the prop firms. I did notice this. Me, I would take my $12, and I think I'm going to because I believe it's coming to the blue line. I don't have no problem taking $30 whatsoever. Just like I told everybody, Mr. Doodleman, I just told you where it was going to the blue line, and it hit exactly at the blue line. Eventually, I believe this is going down further, down to the 90s. But I just wanted to look at it. Now it's dropping more. I hope that was self-explanatory. I hope you got something out of that. If you need my help, reach out to me. Let me know. I charge people to do this, but I just did this for you for free. Personal account, I'm up $380. I'm very risky on this because I have a very small stop. But you see how I just made $520? I'm hoping you can see this. $500. This is a 10-minute video. So now at 380, I'll take 380. Because we could, well, it looks like we might get a quick little pop-up. So I'll take whatever I can get. That's $360. You just saw me do this. Mr. Doodleman, please let me know if you got anything out of this. I showed you my levels. I showed you the Bollinger Bands. This down here is the VWAP. Normally it bounces off that. It's high up right now, so it might come down to it throughout the night. Now, this is after hours trading. This is 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We just made $360 after work. $360 after work on the prop firm. We made money off of that. I believe it was $36. Prop firm, the way to pass a prop firm, this is take profit trader. Just like the name says, you take your profit when you get it. Because I don't want to have that huge drawdown go against me. And then I blow my account. So I'm just scalping. I'm doing it with the micros. And I did it over here with the micros. And it's still falling further. It had the push up, touched my line, came back down a little bit. If any one of you out there needs help, please leave me a comment. Share this video. Why don't you give me a thumbs up and even subscribe to it? So, Mr. Doodleman, I'm hoping you got something out of this. If I need to explain it more, please let me know exactly what you want to see, and I will do my best to help you. This is Kingdom Business. This is where I show you how to make $200 to $1,000 every day. I just showed you I made 360, and I made about 36 on the prop firm. So yes, it is not that hard. You just need a large account in order to get a better return. And if you don't have that much money, you go into a prop firm. I'm trying to show people how to make money on the prop firm. This is my first time doing a prop firm. So most likely I will blow the account because this is the first time and I have to learn all the rules and how to do it. But right now, this is day 3. So we made a few dollars on both accounts. So I will see you very soon. Kingdom Business. Only thing I need from you to do is get out there and create a kingdom business.